Never mind Coke versus Pepsi. Move over, Hawaiian pizza. There's one food debate that can be downright vicious. Cadbury Creme Eggs. Do you love them or hate them? Cadbury Creme Eggs are one of the most popular candy products. But despite their popularity, there's been a lot of controversy about this little egg. We'll give you some info to help you make a decision. But if you already know which side you belong to, let us know in the comments below. So is all the love and hate because they're only available during Easter? Or is it because Cadbury Creme Eggs may be secretly shrinking? I knew it! Could it be because they call their cream creme? Why the heck is that anyway? The answer may shock you. Or maybe it's because bunnies can't really lay eggs. Or can they? Trust me, this answer is not obvious to everyone. Curl up with your favorite Eggspresso and join us as we explore the controversy behind these exceptional Cadbury Creme Eggs. Let's see, insert a final egg pun here. Nope, can't. I'm too exhausted. There is perhaps no single seasonal food item that symbolizes Easter as much as the Cadbury Creme Egg. It's probably got something to do with the fact that they're only available from January 1st to Easter Sunday. Unless you keep them in the freezer and take them out for Halloween. I've heard some people do that. Cadbury sold its first Easter eggs back in 1875, and as you can see, they put Easter right in the title. Cadbury produces over 500 million cream eggs every year, including 1.5 million per day at the Bournville factory in Birmingham, England. So if they're such a smashing success, why only make them available during Easter? Many people have asked Cadbury why it doesn't make them year-round. The company's response is, they don't want the candy to stop being special. But despite all this sweetness, there may be something rotten going on to Cadbury. Some people believe the Cadbury Creme Egg has been secretly shrinking behind our backs. Many consumers have turned against Cadbury due to accusations that their cream eggs have shrunk over the years. In a 2003 response to these claims, Cadbury stated, "The size of the egg hasn't changed. You've just grown up." Although many people didn't buy this response. Actor and writer B.J. Novak of The Office fame even appeared on Conan O'Brien's late-night show in 2007 to discuss the rumor. He showed one egg from 2005 and one from 2007, which looked larger. Cadbury issued another statement saying that people's preferences vary from market to market, and thus so does the size of the product. Aha!
You got me.
In reality, the difference comes down to where it's made. In the US, for example, Cadbury Creme Eggs are a little lighter than it was when they first came out, losing 5 grams of mass and weighing in at 34 grams total. The eggs are slightly larger in the UK, ranging from 35 to 40 grams overall. The remaining mystery is why Cadbury is going out of its way to misspell the word cream. I know this is the social media generation, but have they no shame? The brand's 2008 slogan, "Get the goo out," says it all. Although Cadbury hasn't confirmed this, there's a reason why some food companies spell their cream filling as creme. A product must contain dairy for it to be considered cream, so while the milk chocolate exterior contains dairy, the inside filling does not. The creme filling is made with fondant, consisting of sugar, dried egg white, flavoring, and paprika extract. Yellow food coloring mimics a real egg yolk. So you see, it's not cream or yolk. It's sweet, sweet goo. I feel better now. With all this clever marketing, is it any wonder that there's a controversy about whether bunnies lay eggs or not? You've even seen the commercials with the clucking bunny. So can bunnies really lay eggs? The answer is, drum roll please, no. But an alarming amount of people believe they do. According to Google AdWords, the question, "Do rabbits lay eggs?" and "Do bunnies lay eggs?" receive thousands of searches each month. Proof once again that the education system is totally working just fine. And a survey commissioned by the National Dairy Council found that 7% of adult Americans believe chocolate milk comes from brown cows. That's 16.4 million people. Why might they think that? Well, perhaps it was a 1980s commercial featuring a brown cow producing chocolate milk. If your teeth still aren't tingling with all the sweetness, check out our video on the surprising history of cotton candy. It's up next on the origins of food.